Alright, so today I'm going to be making a video on how to restore headlights using the Sylvania headlight restoration kit. So these are the lights now. Real ugly yellow. Honestly, it looks way more yellow in person. The camera kind of helps it. But they're sun beaten ugly. We're going to make this thing look brand new. So the first step is to spray this surface activator. This actually takes out like the yellow in the headlights. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. But before that, I'm gonna show you guys this kit. Got this kit on Amazon. It used to be $20, but now, like last time I bought it, it was $25, and now it's actually $29. So if you guys, want to do this, I recommend you guys do it now, because for some reason the price is going up on these things. So first thing, spray it on the headlight with this surface activator. You can already see the the yellow shit just dripping down. It's so crazy. Alright, you're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna rinse it off and start wet sanding. So we're gonna rinse it off now. And you can tell already that the yellow is gone. Now it's just faded. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start sanding it down. I'll show you guys the sandpaper that it comes with. So it comes with 3 sheets of sandpaper. We got the 400 grit, got the 1000 grit, and the 2000 grit. So if your headlights are really, really bad, you start out with the 400 grit and work your way up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the 400 grit, since the top part is kind of bad. Good. You wanna wet your sandpaper up. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off and start on the other side. All right, so I went ahead and sanded both headlights. Just scuff them up, make sure you get it real good. Make sure it's not shiny anymore. And then I'm gonna go ahead and jump up to the 1000 grit. If you want, if your headlights are still a little yellow, you can spray that solvent again, let it soak, and then rinse it off again, and then do your 1000. You can do that in between every step you go up in your sanding. Just gonna spray a little more. That should be good. Most of the yellow is gone already. That's good. This is 1000. Make sure you get every spot in the headlight. If your car is really nice and you don't want to mess your paint up, make sure you tape off the rest of it. This car, we're not really worried about the paint. I'm gonna try my best not to scratch it up, of course. All right, now after you sanded the 400, 1000, and 2000, rinse it off and go ahead and dry it down. Now we're gonna use the buffing compound that it comes with to go ahead and buff the headlights. Go ahead. All right, so headlights are almost fully dry. You want to wait till they're fully dry, but this is step 2. This is the buffing compound, and you want to use a white rag that it comes with to buff the compound in. All right, so this is the headlight after the rubbing compound. That's how it looked before. We're not finished yet. I'm gonna go ahead and buff the other headlight, and then we're gonna be applying the clear coat. Yeah. There you go. All right, so next, this is the last step. The UV block clear coat. This is literally just like clear coat that you just put on with this rag right here. You put some in there. Don't put too much. A lot goes a long way. I mean, a little goes a long way. And when you put it on, you just want to like brush it straight across like that. And try to do it on your first try. I mean, you can go back and do it like and touch it up, but you want to do it as fast as you can, because if you wait too long, it's going to get all tacky and sticky, and it might ruin your finish. So, make sure your area is dry. Just a little cap on this. What the fuck is it? There we go. Alright. That's a clear coat. Gonna put some on this rag. I'm gonna put this cap on because I always spill it. I always step on it. Take that rag with the clear coat. And it has like self-leveling. So when it dries, you won't see any streaks in it, which is awesome. Add a little more clear coat. So this is the final product. Just I would allow a couple hours before you drive it. They came out really good. I'll throw the before clip